I know I ain't dropped a video in a minute on YouTube, man. When I say I've been busy helping people get up and running, man, I swear, like in the last maybe like 3 months, we done got like 150 people up and running in the cargo van industry alone and box truck industry. Personal vehicles, probably about 2,000 people we done got up and running with personal vehicles. So your boy been working, y'all. I'm just here to tell y'all, I've been working. I've been putting in a lot of work, man, like for real. But I wanted to do this YouTube video today, man, because I just wanted to put y'all up on game. Those who can't afford to get cargo vans and box trucks right now, I want to show you ways that you can still make money off of a cargo van or a box truck, or how you can use your personal vehicle to make money, because it's a lot of ways to make money. And I just want to, do my part on helping you all, make money, man. I just love to see people make money. For me, it's really just that simple. I love seeing people make money, man. And however I can help you and contribute to that. So without further ado, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We about to get this video popping, man. So first thing I want to do, I want to teach all of you how to dispatch loads. All you need is a laptop or a cell phone to dispatch loads. That's all you need. And I want to help y'all with that. I want to teach y'all step by step how to dispatch loads, how to make that 10%. If you know someone with cargo vans, you know someone with box trucks, this perfect for you all. This is, I ain't nothing like that 10%, because you can be having like one van, right? And that van doing $3,000 a week, you making $300 a week off of one van. Let's say you got 5 vans, that equals to $1,500 every single week, and all you're using is your cell phone. That's it, a cell phone or a laptop. It just can't get no better than that, especially, making 10% off of loads. If you in a box trucks are doing like $5,000 a week, so on an average they do about $5,000. Depending on if they local or over the road, it just depends. They could do a lot more. It just depends on how they're doing it. So with that being said, imagine $500 a week times 5. If you got 5 box trucks, that's $2,500 you making every week, and all you doing is booking loads for this box truck. So that's why I really want to teach y'all this game, man, because it's just so much money into this game right now today. And I feel like, and another reason for me teaching this, to be honest with you all, that's truly how I got started in the game. First thing I was doing, I was driving box trucks for a company. Once I was driving the box trucks, I took a dispatching course. And that's how I learned how to dispatch loads. As I'm teaching the dispatch, doing the dispatch course, I also was using my personal vehicle to make money. So every day I get off of work and I'm driving the box truck all day long. It was days I started driving my car and I made more money in the car than I did with that box truck. That's when the light bulb went off for me, y'all. That's when I was like, I gotta figure out how to do this business on my own, because for me it started making more sense for me to do it on my own and why work for a company. Now, true enough, the company, you get the benefits, you get the medical, the dental, all that kind of stuff, so that comes in handy. But when you making enough money for yourself to where you can start getting your own health insurance and dental plans, then I might as well do it on my own. I might as well make my own money. And that's how I started like looking at this business. Like, I need to just make my own money. It just made more sense for me to do it that way. And that's what I started doing, man. So I'm like, going forward, I just really want to teach y'all how I got started. I want y'all to go through not really the same process I went to, because you have a lot more information than I had when I got started. But I want y'all to take a lot of my own routes that I took, so y'all have that knowledge. So that way you can always make money more than just one way. If you just driving your car every day doing deliveries or medical deliveries in your car, you can say, dang, man, you know what? Let me start up a dispatch company. I know a few people in this game. Let me see if they'll let me book some loads for them. If you know somebody and they see that you building up a dispatch company, I'm gonna give y'all some game. I'm finna give y'all some game real quick. This huge. So what you can do, right, if you know somebody, they have an active authority, you can do a carrier package with that person, and they can authorize you to use their authority to book loads for them. Long as you have permission from them, you can book their loads for them. I hope y'all heard what I just said. If you know somebody with an MC number, which is an authority, and they got a cargo van, box truck, or anything like that, and you learn how to dispatch loads, you can step to them and say, hey, can you give me permission to use your authority on your behalf to book your loads for you? Now you making 10% off of all those loads. And if they're generous enough, they might have other vans, box trucks, or whatever for you to book loads for, or they might even allow you to use that authority to book other loads for other people. That is a huge, huge gem I just dropped on y'all if you did not know this gem. So my whole mindset is I just want to show y'all there's so many different ways to making money. So what I'm doing this Saturday, November the 16th, 2024, I'm hosting a dispatching masterclass, and I'm going to teach you how to become a medical carrier using your own personal vehicle. I'm going to teach y'all my method of how I do this. I'm already partnered with a lot of medical carrier companies. I will be dropping the direct link that they give me so you all can get those contracts. I'm truly about to hook you all up, man. Y'all don't even know what's about to go down this Saturday, November the 16th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where it says more at in the description, click that, and I will leave the link below so you all can get into this class. Also, I will be giving away a mentorship for free inside of this class. I was going to wait to tell y'all, but I'm going to give it away in the class. Another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be giving away something that costs over $200 pretty much to all of you in the class. I'm supposed to say that, but I just want to let y'all know what's about to go down in this class this Saturday. So you do not want to miss this opportunity. This opportunity is about to be epic. That's all I can say, man. So I appreciate y'all, man. Like, for real. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. I'm about to start dropping so many videos on YouTube. It's about to be a problem. I always tell y'all, man, stick with us, because we truly got you.